Hi guys, welcome back to the channel once again, and in this video we are going to be doing a speed test comparison between Mi A2 and Honor 7X. I have already done it with Redmi Note 5 Pro, so if you want to check that out, link is in the description. Honor 7X of course has its own Kirin 6, whereas Mi A2 also have a really good Snapdragon 660, and also both phones have 4 gigs of RAM. So yeah guys, without wasting any further time, let's get straight in this video. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you do it, and also hit that little bell so you are notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, so let's see what happens here. Now Mi A2 is really quick to boot up. We have seen that in the previous video. Let's see what happens here. And okay, so Mi A2 really fast to boot up, and Honor 7X is still taking some time. And okay, it's done as well, so let me quickly enter this password. So guys, everything is closed, nothing is running in the background, and we shall start. Here we go. Phone dialer, faster on Mi A2. Chrome, again faster on Mi A2 guys. Let's open camera, same result, faster on Mi A2. Let's open settings, again faster on Mi A2. Let's try opening some social apps guys. Twitter, faster on A2. Let's try some more. Tinder, same result, Mi A2. Snapchat, again faster on Mi A2. So it's not like a really big difference, but again Mi A2 is winning. Let's open Facebook, and this time clearly Mi A2 is faster. Instagram, and this time they were really similar. So let's try opening some games guys, and we'll pretty much open every type of game, starting with the lightest, Flappy Bird. And again faster on Mi A2. Motor Traffic Racer. And okay, so you can see that Mi A2 is just so quick, and it's done. And you can see that Honor 7X is way slow, and it's done as well. Let's open few more games. Smash it. And okay, faster on Mi A2. So it's kind of disappointing, Honor 7X losing like that. Let's try with some more. Subway Surfers. And again look like Mi A2 will win it. So Honor 7X has definitely slowed down with time. I hope it will get an update by which it should get at least a little bit better than what it is currently. So let's open GTA San Andreas guys, and you can see that Snapdragon 660 proving to be too good for Kirin 65, and it's done. So not a big difference over here, but overall it's been Mi A2. Let's open some shopping apps guys, and I'm connected to the same Wi-Fi network, starting with Amazon. Here we go, and opened on Mi A2 and loaded as well. So Honor 7X, you can see that it's taking a lot more time, and it's just open and it is loading. It's loaded. Banggood.com, and opened on Mi A2, and it is so okay, so actually loaded on Honor 7X. So finally Flipkart, and okay, so open pretty much at the same time, but has loaded on Mi A2 and Honor 7X. Done, it's done as well. So yeah guys, let's quickly check out the RAM management. Here we go, starting with the social app. Okay, so Twitter refreshed on both. Instagram again refreshed. Let's see this Subway Surfers. Okay, so it's in the RAM. Smash it, refreshed on both. Flappy Bird in the RAM on both phones. Amazon, okay, refreshed on A2. What else? Motor Traffic Racer, okay, that was an ad, but it's in the RAM. Snapchat in the RAM. And yeah guys, that's pretty much it. So Mi A2 proving to be too good for Honor 7X. Honor 7X, of course, it's an old phone and it has slowed down. Hope they get an update. Hope it gets an update really soon guys. And yeah, that was pretty much it guys. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and yeah, like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in my next one guys. Peace.